Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Bank of America mobile banking app in your device. Bank of America mobile banking is a secured and convenient way to manage your finances directly from your smartphone or tablet. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Bank of America mobile banking. There you can see Bank of America mobile banking. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Bank of America mobile banking app. For a user-friendly and secure app that can be a valuable tool for managing your finances. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.